is today's week's video? This week.
For this week's video, I wanted to bake a cake. So we're gonna bake a cake.
And throw things. That's the lemon one. It's the limited.
For this cake, we will need flour, soya milk because Alessio is lactose intolerant, chocolate cream, sprinklers which are supposed to go in the end, the actual cake, more cream,
And this, because it's gonna go wrong.
Plan B. No, I don't like Alessio anymore, so we're actually going to use proper milk. Take that back. So the first thing we need to do is divide the yolk from the white
Yolk.
stuff.
The yolk.
That's what I said.
Yolk.
The yolk. 1/2. Cracked, didn't it? Oh no, this one cracked.
Ready? Catch. Catch? Use it, it's fine. It's fine. Oh, the imagery.
I think it doesn't like yolk on top of it.
Yolk.
Yolk!
Yolk, it has an L in it.
How dare you? Człowiek jak namle. Babuszka! Бабушка! Бабушка!
Нет, вытирай. Вытирай сама, возьми вон Окси. Безрукие дети называются. Без руки.
Посмотри.
Давай. Тебе тут
Okay, now we need to divide them. Oh, they take water bottles.
Oh, my. Let me see this.
No, 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 no.
It's such an amateur way to do it.
Down.
Can you not film me?
Come on. Down.
I've got performance pressure.
Down. Down, 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 down. No! No! Don't you dare, don't you. Leaving it here, okay? No, no, no. I will kill you. Okay, look how juicy this will look. Yeah, 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 look.
That's not.
I swear.
I think you broke it. Can you do it?
I'm so good. I'm so good.
Can we just start with a new egg?
Okay, so now what we are supposed to do is mix this in a blender, but like in a blender with like the whisking, like blender.
The whisk, with a whisk.
Blender. With a whisking
With a
blender.
whisk.
With a whisking blender.
A whisk.
With a whisking blender, and we are supposed to add not sugar, but you know that like powdery, sugary, like cocaine looking shit.
That is.
Don't explode, don't explode, don't explode. It's good!
Oh no! That's enough.
No, it's not. It's
Yes, it is.
It's supposed to be white.
It's really got that point because it's half yellow. Oh,
You
do
see,
you now?
the instructions are written in Ukrainian, but I don't understand Ukrainian, so I might mess this up a little bit, but it's okay.
Even if you understand the instructions.
Oh wait! Oh wait! Oh Oh, we do have it. Oh my god.
That's
Oh my-
not Philadelphia.
Yeah, it doesn't say Philadelphia. It says tvarog. Do you know what's tvarog?
No.
It's this.
But Grana Padano's better.
But this is a Ukrainian recipe. Okay, okay.
No, it's made by Dr. Royker. He's Austrian. What? Put on the GoPro, please.
No, it's because it's wet. I think that's too much, but it's okay. How do I get it out? Never mind. It doesn't matter. Okay, it doesn't matter.
Yeah. That looks like a healthy drink.
Oh, look at it! Look at it! Okay. And... Okay, I think we added a bit too much milk, but it's okay. Now we mix it together.
That looks so great.
Wasn't there any flour supposed to? I think I missed flour out.
Weren't you girls supposed to be good in the kitchen?
Yeah. Oh, I was supposed to add. I was supposed to add that.
Are you serious?
Okay. Okay.
So sad.
It's not sad.
6. 7 times the
Art.
charm? Because I don't think she realizes she doesn't have an oven. Perfectly fine. Go ahead.
We need a form.
Wait. Let's grab your GoPro and show your roll.
Okay. It's okay. Okay, it's okay.
I don't know if that's the sugar or the powder. You know what? How about we don't? No!
Should I mix it with my hands? I can put gloves on.
That's not the point.
You're not gonna eat it anyways. You're lactose intolerant.
I'm not gonna eat it anyways because of another reason that you still haven't realized, but it's fine.
What? Nothing. Look, now it looks good. Can I mix it with my face?
No. We have a whisk as well. Sinia.
Did we have a whisk? It's nice. Kind of. Let's put it in the oven. That we blew up while making chicken wings. It doesn't matter, we're gonna make it in the microwave. Did you ever cook a cake in the microwave?
Bake a cake. Anyway.
Ooh, nice and juicy.
910 minutes.
Okay. Yeah, you see, it says 1 hour. If it would have blown up, it would be like beep, 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 beep. I want to blow up, so it's fine. Now we do the frosting. Oh, it looks so good. Look at it. Mwah. Look at the cake.
Looks like it's a play. It's a fucking bubble.
What do you expect a cake to look like?
It has to be uniform.
It will be uniform
That's
after
uniform.
we apply this beautiful cream. It's good. I might have spilled the tea, sis. I spilled the tea. You know, I spilled the tea. I'm cool. I spilled the tea.
As long as you clean it, you can spill how much you want.
You see?
Now that looks.
Okay. It looks okay to be baked in a fucking microwave. It looks fucking amazing.
It's not even close.
This isn't too good.
Look at the concentration.
It's stuck. So now what we do, we cut this open. Other closed. Okay, so we put this one in here.
Put it down again.
And we put the brown chocolate into here. We microwave this to
34 minutes left.
Are you going to try the cake?
No. I'm gonna die if I try the cake. You see how much milk you put in that?
Just one little piece. Come on, it's a masterpiece.
Okay, I might try.
Yes.
Can I call the ambulance already?
Bad idea, bad idea, bad idea. Premium Ukrainian chocolate. It's pretty good. The chocolate! The white chocolate!
You want me to die? Well, I know what to do.
Oh my... You're so mean. I make this masterpiece, like an absolute masterpiece. And it's so good. And we spent so much time and effort on it. And we had all the ingredients, all the materials, you know. We had everything and it's turning out so good. And even my granny tried it and she was like, oh my god, this is the best thing I tried in my life.
I don't think that's what she said.
Those are just formalities. It doesn't matter. Because I'm an artist and I did the greatest GCSE of all time. Those dickheads gave me a C, and I'm going to design this like a professional. So look, first we do this. And now we take the white chocolate and we do the same thing. There it is.
So what has my life come to?
Sold for 2.2 billion to Donald Trump. There you go. Donald Trump, if you want to buy this piece of artwork, DM me. I'll sell it to you for cheap. Isn't
Well, he'll
it so
buy it.
good?
Doesn't he have to go to war with North Korea soon? He's winning the war with this one. Anyway, sorry.
I'm good. Drink some milk. You lactose intolerant person. The most important part are the sprinkles. Now it's time to try it. Babushka! That is how you poison your family.
Well, at least you know you're doing it.
If anyone wants to call me up on MasterChef, I will win everyone.
Beat
Beware.
everyone.
I'm going to beat everyone in competition. Beware.
By the way, MasterChef is about cooking, not baking.
Competition, beware what you're up against because you have no chance.
That's an important one.
It's good, isn't it? Adios, mis amigos, y nos vemos la próxima vez.
People are gonna be so pissed that this is the only Spanish part of the whole video.